You're going to love the 2026 Sea-Doo 325, but there are a few things Sea-Doo doesn't exactly tell you until after you own one. In this video, I'm going to go over 5 things every new 325 owner should know, including a couple of upgrades that make a huge difference. Number 1, it doesn't come with a ladder. One thing that surprised me right away is that the 2026 Sea-Doo 325 doesn't come with a boarding ladder from the factory. Without a ladder, it's actually pretty difficult to climb back onto the ski from the water. So I installed the OEM Sea-Doo Ladder, and it only takes about 10 to 15 minutes to install. I have a full video on my channel showing exactly how to install it. Number 2, the break-in period. Another thing new owners should know is the break-in period for the engine. For the first several hours, you don't want to just run the ski full wide open the entire time. Vary the throttle and avoid holding it at maximum RPM too long while the engine is breaking in. I also have a video on my channel showing my break-in process and first rides with the 325. Number 3, the data cable for GPS and speed tracking. This next one confused a lot of people, including me at first. If you want to record accurate GPS, speed, and riding data, you'll need the Sea-Doo data cable. I also have a video showing how to use the data cable and set it up, and also show you how to connect to Wi-Fi and download updated maps if you don't want to keep the cable. The cable connects the ski system to your phone, so you can use the BRP Ride app and track things like GPS speed, ride history, and trip data. If you don't want to keep the data cable attached, there's another option where you can connect it to Wi-Fi and download a map. There's not as many options, but I do have a video below in the description explaining how to do that. I also have a video showing how to use the data cable. Number 3, the SCOM upgrade. One of the most popular upgrades for the Sea-Doo 325 is the SCOM module. The SCOM removes the speed limiter that Sea-Doo installs from the factory. In the United States, it's set at 68 miles an hour. With the upgrade installed, the ski can reach higher top speeds. And I also have a video where I test the top speed on glass smooth water. Number 5, cold water riding. If you ride in early spring like I do, the water temperature can still be very cold. A lot of riders don't realize how quickly you can get cold or tired in the water. That's why I use waterproof riding waders, which make a huge difference when riding in colder conditions. Check the video on my bio for how these work. If you're interested in the 2026 Sea-Doo 325, I have several other videos on the channel, including a full overview of the ski, the ladder installation, SCOM upgrade and testing, top speed runs, and other accessories and upgrades. If you enjoy Sea-Doo content and upgrades, make sure to subscribe, because I'll be posting more videos about the 2026 Sea-Doo 325 and other riding adventures.